Hello, Transformation. Welcome back to my channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this look here. I want to call this maybe the icy winter makeup look. This is what it's giving me. It's like an icy blue. And I'm going to show you what eyeshadow palette that I use. But first, I got to get to these brows. They look a mess. So I'm going to fill them in with my Kiss New York Professional Eyebrow Pencil. It's in the color brunette. It's an auto twist, and it do come with a mascara. And I love it because it don't make my eyebrows dark. I used to wear the color dark brown. However, it just didn't work out for me. So accordingly, I'm doing the other side of my eyebrows. I have a hard time doing this side. I don't know why. But as you guys can see, it's kind of like very uneven, but no worries. I'm going to show you guys how I fix them. So I'm just filling it in underneath. So I'm just making sure that it's even. I don't know why this eyebrow I have the hardest time so much now. This brow is just like giving me the biggest problem. Now I'm going to be using two eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses Wakita Beach, and I use my Nika K. So I'm going to use Wika Key. I'm using that color like a darkish blue color, and I'm going to apply it towards the end of my eye, which is the outer corner of my eye. And I'm going to blend it out back and forth, but also in a circular motion. So I'm applying the eyeshadow by the shape of my eye, if that makes sense, towards the end. So I'm just blending, blending, blending. Then I went in with a lighter tone of the teal as well to kind of blend it out a little bit. So I'm just blending it out so you guys can see, I guess, the perfection of it, if that makes sense. Then I'm using a little bit of that silver color. I'm applying that in the inner corner of my eye. Then I use the eyeliner by Kiss Professional. And I'm just making sure that I am lining up freehandly. So I usually use tape, but I'm just doing it by freehand. My liner. So I just know how I want my liner to look and be clean and precise. So I'm just going back and forth and blending in, and look at it. It looks good, you guys. Looks really good. Now I'm going to use my cappuccino concealer. So I'm just going to apply a little bit underneath my eye, and then it's going to go underneath. Then I'm just going to go in and blend out my concealer. I guess I'm using the brush. I usually use a sponge, but the sponge seems like it just hold the moisture of the concealer, so it don't make it as neat. So I went back to the brush, and now I'm using the gold eyeshadow palette as well, and I'm using just silverish blue color, and I'm just applying that like in the middle of my eye. So I'm just blending, blending, blending it out. So yes, it's kind of giving you that icy, frosty makeup look. Icy blue frost. But it's like an ice winter makeup that I do love. And this is how I achieved it. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, please get this video up to 100 views. And I will see you guys in my next one. Until next time, ciao.